Welcome to Debits, the app that makes it easy to fix uncategorized transactions with your clients. Let me walk you through how to get started in just a few simple steps. After signing up, you'll be prompted to connect your QuickBooks Online account. Log in when prompted and authorize debits to sync your uncategorized transactions in real time. As an accountant, you will be presented with this dashboard when you log in. It will display every client you have connected and will provide you with a quick overview of where each client currently stands in your workflow. These clients currently have uncategorized transactions that need their input. You have several actions you can take directly from this dashboard. Under Actions, you can click on the bell icon to email your client. You have the ability to customize the message before sending, and every message sent to the client will have a magic link that will take them directly to their dashboard. If you prefer to email the client from your own email account, you can copy a magic link for a specific client by clicking on the star icon next to their name. The magic link will allow the client to access the app without the need to log in. To see the transactions that need your client's attention, simply click on the company name. On the transaction screen, you will see three tabs: Categorize, Review, and Approved. The Categorize tab will show all of the transactions that need input from your client. The Review tab will show the transactions that have been updated by the client and need your input and approval. And the Approved tab is a log of all of the transactions that have been approved by you or your team. If we go back to the Categorize tab, you will see the transaction type and memo for the transaction are displayed, and that you have the ability to edit the transactions. From this screen, you can choose the vendor, customer, and category. Indicate if the transaction is billable and/or taxable, add a description and/or receipt. If you have class or location enabled in QuickBooks, you will also be able to edit those items directly from our app. There are two views available to display transactions: a table view and a card view. Both views display the same information, so it's a matter of personal preference on which view you use. On the left side of the table view, you can select multiple transactions to enable bulk editing capabilities. If you need to edit multiple transactions, simply select the transactions you desire to change and then select the appropriate action from the dropdown. Once you have made your selection, click on Save, and the transaction will be saved with your edits. When you're done editing, click on Save to approve the edits. This will move the transaction to approved and will update QuickBooks. When a client accesses the app, they will be presented with a similar dashboard. When they click on the business name, they will be presented with the list of transactions that need their attention. Clients will be required to add a description to every transaction that is presented to them in the transaction list. Once they have provided a description, they can send the transaction to review. When the transaction is moved to review, it will no longer appear in their Categorize tab. It will appear under the Review tab and is ready for you or your team to edit and approve. And that's it. You're ready to streamline your workflow with Debits. Start saving time and avoid the back and forth with clients by centralizing everything in one app. Give it a try today at debits.com and see how much easier your process